Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef tacos at home with an easy guide. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning, and 12 taco shells. Don't forget your favorite toppings such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's get cooking. Place your large skillet on the stove over medium heat. Add the 1 pound of ground beef and begin to brown it. Use your spatula to break the beef into small, even pieces. This ensures it cooks thoroughly and evenly. Once the beef is fully cooked and no longer pink, carefully drain any excess grease from the skillet. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more flavorful taco filling. With your beef browned and drained, it's time to add that classic taco flavor. Pour in 1 packet of taco seasoning and approximately 2/3 of a cup of water. Stir everything together thoroughly, making sure the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout the meat. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the liquid to reduce, creating a rich, savory filling. Finally, the best part, assembling your delicious tacos. Warm your taco shells as directed on the package. This usually takes a few minutes in the oven or microwave. Spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoned beef into each warm shell. Then, pile on your favorite toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, shredded cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, flavorful beef tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.